Mosasaurus, Mos-so-dars, lizard of the Meuse River, is the type genus, defining example, of the mosasaurs, an extinct group of aquatic squamate reptiles. It lived from about 82 to 66 million years ago during the Campanian and Maastrichtian stages of the late Cretaceous. The genus was one of the first Mesozoic marine reptiles known to science. The first fossils of Mosasaurus were found as skulls in a chalk quarry near the Dutch city of Maastricht in the late 18th century and were initially thought to be crocodiles or whales. One skull discovered around 1780 was famously nicknamed the Great Animal of Maastricht. In 1808, naturalist Georges Cuvier concluded that it belonged to a giant marine lizard with similarities to monitor lizards, but otherwise unlike any known living animal. This concept was revolutionary at the time and helped support the then developing ideas of extinction. Cuvier did not designate a scientific name for the animal. This was done by William Daniel Conybeare in 1822 when he named it Mosasaurus in reference to its origin in fossil deposits near the Meuse River. The exact affinities of Mosasaurus as a squamate remain controversial, and scientists continue to debate whether its closest living relatives are monitor lizards or snakes. Traditional interpretations have estimated the maximum length of the largest species, Monsieur Hoffmanni, to be 17.1 meters, 56 feet, making it one of the largest mosasaurs, although some scientists consider this an overestimation with recent estimates suggesting a length closer to 13 meters, 43 feet. How fast was a mosasaur? The extinct marine reptile Mosasaurus could accelerate to 30 miles per hour, 48.3 kilometers per hour, in just 1 second. The segment also discusses techniques the Mosasaurus may have used to reach this speed, such as the sea start. The skull of Mosasaurus had robust jaws and strong muscles capable of powerful bites, using dozens of large teeth adapted for cutting prey. Its 4 limbs were shaped into paddles to steer the animal underwater. Its tail was long and ended in a downward bend and a paddle-like fluke. Mosasaurus possessed excellent vision to compensate for its poor sense of smell and a high metabolic rate suggesting it was endothermic, warm-blooded, an adaptation in squamates only found in mosasaurs. There is considerable morphological variability across the currently recognized species in Mosasaurus, from the robustly built Monsieur Hoffmanni to the slender and serpentine Monsieur Lemonnieri, but an unclear diagnosis, description of distinguishing features, of the type species Monsieur Hoffmanni led to a historically problematic classification. As a result, more than 50 species have been attributed to the genus in the past. A redescription of the type specimen in 2017 helped resolve the taxonomy issue and confirmed at least 5 species to be within the genus. Another 5 species still nominally classified within Mosasaurus are planned to be reassessed. Fossil evidence suggests Mosasaurus inhabited much of the Atlantic Ocean and the adjacent seaways. Mosasaurus fossils have been found in North and South America, Europe, Africa, Western Asia, and Antarctica. This distribution encompassed a wide range of oceanic climates including tropical, subtropical, temperate, and subpolar. Mosasaurus was a common large predator in these oceans and was positioned at the top of the food chain. Paleontologists believe its diet would have included virtually any animal. It likely preyed on bony fish, sharks, cephalopods, birds, and other marine reptiles including sea turtles and other mosasaurs. It likely preferred to hunt in open water near the surface. From an ecological standpoint, Mosasaurus probably had a profound impact on the structuring of marine ecosystems. Its arrival in some locations, such as the Western Interior Seaway in North America, coincides with a complete turnover of faunal assemblages and diversity. Mosasaurus faced competition with other large predatory mosasaurs, such as Prognathodon and Tylosaurus, which were known to feed on similar prey, though they were able to coexist in the same ecosystems through niche partitioning. There were still conflicts among them, as an instance of Tylosaurus attacking a Mosasaurus has been documented. Several fossils document deliberate attacks on Mosasaurus individuals by members of the same species. Infighting likely took place in the form of snout grappling, as seen in modern crocodiles.